JavaScript based Playwright, you would install Playwright by running this command. You would be asked a series of questions. The first one would be this. Let's say we want TypeScript. The second question is just asking us the name of the folder. Let's go with the default. The third is asking whether we need to add a GitHub Actions workflow. This would just create a YAML file inside the workflows folder, which will just help us to run our tests on each push and pull request. So let's keep it as false for now. Install Playwright browsers. Let's keep this as true because each version of Playwright would need a specific version of browser binaries. And you will see later on this will install specifically Firefox and Chromium and also WebKit. We can also use the browsers which are installed on our machine, and that will just require some config changes. Let's go with true for now. This will help us install some system dependencies. Let's go with the default. Basically, we just go with the default for most of the questions which is asked of us. It's installing right now. And you see it did download the browsers. Well, it's not showing right now. But I just deleted and tried to install it again, and the second time it's not showing the browsers. I can just scroll up a little bit and show you. This is how it will show the first time when you try to install Playwright. Anyhow, that's how we install Playwright.